Hi, I'm Andrea Oliver from One Wildlife Advisors, here to talk about investment trends for 2026. The topic I'll address in this video is the national debt. The national debt continues to capture headlines and investor attention. Total federal debt now stands at approximately $38.5 trillion, representing roughly $111,000 per American. It's important to understand that high debt levels do not necessarily signal imminent crisis and can remain manageable for extended periods. They do, however, create greater polarization in Washington, which may be relevant as the short-term government funding bill expires at the end of January 2026. This chart shows the federal debt as a percentage of U.S. gross domestic product, which measures the size of the economy. The yellow line reflects all government debt, while the black line excludes debt the federal government owes itself. Total debt now stands at 119% of GDP, while net debt is hovering slightly below 100%. Looking at the trend of these lines shows a steady rise in the ratio, indicating that the national debt is becoming a heavier burden relative to the economy's growth. And that leads us to our conclusion. For long-term investors, the key lesson is that while debt sustainability may have implications for economic growth and interest rates over time, it should not be the primary driver of portfolio positioning. History shows that attempting to time investments based on fiscal concerns often results in missed opportunities. Instead, focus on the things you can control. Maintain a diversified portfolio that can perform across different economic and policy environments. Review tax strategies to take full advantage of some of the newer provisions in the tax bill, since these planning opportunities can meaningfully impact after-tax returns. Thanks for watching.